Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Theta TV as well. All right, guys, in today's video, I have a pretty awesome mix of 3 different stories for the Theta ecosystem. Actually, some of them are just some how-tos and overall reviews as well. The first one has to do with NFT5.org. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, but we will talk about this website right here. I just recently learned about it and I actually really like it. The next thing we're going to talk about is something else that I recently learned about, which is Theta Arcade. And guys, these are not sponsored content. This is just me going out to the Theta ecosystem, finding this and then sharing it with everyone as well. So if you have anything for the Theta ecosystem, you're more than welcome to send it my way, either via Twitter or Gmail. Just let me know and I'll do a quick overview and let everyone know what you're working on. I think this is one good way for more people, the masses, to learn about the overall Theta ecosystem. So if you have anything, for sure send it my way and I'll do a quick overview and let everyone know. Also, the third story is going to be about Replay. There's a quick little update there and they were featured on a news article, so I thought I would share that. And if you're unfamiliar with Replay, it is a TNT20 token and it's also a decentralized application on the Theta ecosystem. So let's circle back to the first one, which is NFT5. And this is a very simple and easy website, but it does what it needs to do very well. So the first thing is just to verify owners. So for this, it is if you have an NFT address, then you just need to verify the owner of it. You can select the mainnet, testnet if you're testing different things. So it's very simple, very easy. There's also show NFTs in a wallet. So if you have a certain wallet address that you're curious if they're holding any NFTs, then you could place that wallet address in there and then view the NFTs. Now this is NFTs that are not on Theta Drop. This is NFTs that you're able to send to your different wallets. So I'll just caveat that. But the last one is actually my favorite part about this website, and that is to mint new NFTs. They do make this really easy, and I'll walk you through that really quick. So for me, I'm going to mint my profile picture on Twitter. I think it's really easy. What you need to do is grab your URL for an image. So this one is a .jpeg. So it is an image. I'll just Control-C that to copy it, and then I'll circle back here. I'll paste that in there, and then you have to name it. So I'll say Crypto Elite logo. You have to put a token symbol, 3 letters to represent your NFT. I'll just do CET. And the last thing is an email address, which is auto-populated there, cryptoeliteofficial@gmail.com. That's how you can get a hold of me if you need it. And that's it. So as of right now, you do have to connect your MetaMask, which I did do previously. I have 14 TFUEL, so that'll come in handy in a second. I'll go to mint it. MetaMask will come up. Unfortunately, it's going to say I don't have enough gas. So unfortunately, I don't have the 17 TFUEL that is required to mint, and this is just for purposes of this video, so I'm going to reject this, but it's really easy, and 17 TFUEL is not a lot, guys, to mint an NFT, and it's just that easy. It does come in handy too if you want to continue to build on the overall Theta ecosystem. Theta Video API with their NFT DRM technology, now you can go to create a video, and you have to require individuals to have an NFT in order to watch that video. As you can see here, you can enter the NFT collection address to enable NFT-based digital rights management. So if I were to upload a video and then tie an NFT to it, I could just go to NFT5, create an NFT real quick, and then ensure that everyone has that NFT in order to watch a video, which I may do in the future or I may not do in the future. I do think it's really easy and simple, but also very applicable technology. So that's the first story. The second story has to do with Theta Arcade. I thought this was a pretty fun and easy overview, a quick game. And once again, you can view NFTs by wallet address once you enter, and then you could play games with your Theta Drop NFTs. All you have to do is simply connect to Theta Drop, link account, and just that easy. Here in a second, it will take me, yep, there it is. It's loading, and I can just start and I can play a couple different, retro arcade games. So Snake, Donkey Kong, Frogger, and then more coming soon. It's really easy. There's the logo, and I can select play, and you have to use, let's see, WASD in order to move. Whoops, play, and that's it. And that was a quick game. Okay, and it's just that easy, guys. I'm not going to have you watch me play this too long, but it's just that easy. The last little story that I wanted to talk about was Imagine Replay. Like I said, they just had a spotlight article on them, mostly because of this right here, RewardedTv. And if you're unfamiliar with that, this is a way where you can watch live TV or other movies and TV shows, and you can get paid with it with the replay token, which is a TNT 20 token. So it's very, very easy, very similar to Theta TV, but in a different manner. And if we go to their Twitter, you can see RewardedTv was featured on Trend Watch report from Variety. And let's check it out. And they also have the point here, but I'll circle back to that at the end. So the Trend Watch, entertainment loyalty rewards for fan engagement. So traditionally, engaging with content was its own reward. But in today's hyper-competitive world, with more entertainment alternatives than ever before, viewers are beginning to need to be incentivized to stick around. And they give a couple examples here. The first has to do with Sony PlayStation. The second has to do with incentivizing audiences through NFTs. And the last one they talk about here is Replay. So another company following a similar blueprint is Replay with its RewardedTv service. This also incentivizes viewers with cryptocurrency. Replay, the service's own coin, which can be used to buy NFT related to content or unlock new content or ad-free viewing. So that is their little spotlight. And the point, media organizations are looking to empower their users with data-driven rewards that incentivize engagement. Traditional media is liable to end up, as usual, playing catch-up, and that is where we are right now. So in summary, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. The last story we just talked about is RewardedTv. They're working hard to stay on top of their game, and they're doing a great job there. There's also Theta Arcade. I'll try it one more time. Man, this snake is actually quite challenging. It's very quick, but Theta Arcade, I find it very, very awesome. You can connect to NFTs in order to play with it. And then the first story is NFT5.org, where you can create NFTs, and that will help you out in a multitude of different ways. So like I said, guys, if you have anything in mind that you would want me to review on the entire Theta ecosystem, let me know in the comments below. It's very easy, fun to do. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you on the next one.